Hello everybody, Dan Bradbury, Eureka. I hope that you're all doing very well. We're going to go through today. Somebody has asked me if I can go through and just show how to do arbitrage. Well, I say somebody, I've actually had quite a few people that have asked me. I was going to do it earlier today, but I've just waited till a little bit later in the day because, as you can see, also we have lots and lots more tokens that have been added to EurekaX today. So from yesterday, obviously, we were up to MCO. So now we've got about another 10 to about 15 pairs actually that have been added since then as well. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to show how to do arbitrage between the exchanges. Now, obviously, I'm doing this on the spot, so there's no guarantees that there's going to be an opportunity right here, right now. But I'm going to show you how to do it for when they do occur and how to actually go through and be able to find them. So here we have the select liquidity option. Okay, so that's up here, this logo here, next to dashboard, and you click on that, and then you can click on the 3 exchanges. So at the minute we've got 3 exchanges connected into one exchange. So you can take liquidity from all of them, but it also means you can do arbitrage between them using just one balance. Okay, so here you can see the current balance in this account is 0.0111 BTC. Okay, so that's perfect. We can use that one balance to trade across all 3 of these platforms. This is it is a massive advantage, guys. Okay, there are other exchanges, don't get me wrong, that allow you to connect to other exchanges, but not that allow you to do it from one balance. Okay, so you only have to have a balance on one exchange or on EurekaX, and you can use that to directly trade on the others. So let's go through here for a minute, and if we click on Binance, for example, now we're going to come through down to the bottom. We're just going to pick any token for the minute. Let's pick ZRX. Okay, so this is the ZRX, as we can see, trading sideways like most things are at the minute. We're going to have a look at this inside Binance. And we're going to come across over here to the to the right hand side, where we're going to see the order book. Now, for this, guys, okay, completely ignore market price. Okay, market price is where most arbitrage goes wrong. Okay, because they do it based on market price, of which is not a guarantee that you're going to be able to sell it at that price. Okay, it is just the last price of which the asset was traded. So we skip this completely. And this is where we want to look at, okay? So 3683 is the highest buy order, okay? So that's what you can sell to. And 3689 is the highest buy order. So in this, we require a 0.4 to cover fees. Everything above 0.4 is profit. So if we say that we're looking for a minimum of 0.5, looking for a minimum of 0.5 difference between the exchanges. So here we got 683. We're going to come across here. We're going to click on here. And here we got 79. And remember, we're looking at this too. So 69 there. 68 now. And in EurekaX, we've got 681. Okay, so we've got, for what we could buy at 6.8, but you see at the minute the buy orders, what you are looking for arbitrage, guys, is for this number, say this number on this exchange of 687. If we come here to cross this one here, to cross this one here, okay, so because that means that we could buy for 687 on OKX, I think, and then come here and then sell on OKX for higher. Okay, this is what you're looking for in here as well, guys. Okay, you're looking in here, you're looking to see how many they are, because that's obviously going to dimension onto how many are available, and you would be selling to this, so you are selling to the top buyer. Something else that you can also do, you can see that this is actually the top buyer at the minute. So we know that if we go through and just click, so 680 on that one, 683 and 683. So hit BTC was in at 680. Yeah. Okay, so we know this, all right? So we know for a fact that we can buy for 6.8. Sorry, we know that we could sell on the other exchanges for 683, and Binance was hit 6832. So we know that we could sell for 683. So one in there would be 0.1%. Okay, so we would be looking for a 1.2 difference here, which we don't currently have on this pair. If we come through, we can pick, say, Vibe. Let's see what's going on with Vibe. But you can get the general consensus of what we are talking about. So here we've got 165. Remember, the default page, guys, is always hit BTC as well. EurekaX 165. So there's, okay, so 166 you can buy on here as well. And on Binance we've got 166 to 165. Okay, so you can see the closeness here. Okay, 166 to 165. EurekaX, we're looking at 166 to 165. Right, guys, this is because of the liquidity. Okay, because they have lots and lots and lots of liquidity here. Yeah, because those exchanges have more liquidity, you can see that that's why the trading pairs are so close. Okay, we're going to click on hit BTC. Remember, we were looking at 166, 165. Now we're looking at 147 being, or 156. Yeah, so 156 being the closest. Okay, now this we're looking, so everyone here on the 5.8, so yeah, so on the 5.8, everything on there, guys, is 1%. So what we could actually do is that we could, if we click on this and if we click on this, all right, so 0.12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.1, let's say 5.9 that we want to buy in at. Okay, so we're going to buy at slightly higher than this, and we're going to do that because we know that we can sell it like what we've just seen at 165. So we're going to buy, I don't know, let's just say for easiness, for the sake of this, we're going to buy 10. Remember, we're just doing this to show you, and we're going to come down, we're going to click on buy fib. Okay, that's going to put our order in here in the order book, and then we could just wait for that to fill, and then as that gets filled here, you can obviously see that because we've done that now, you can see quite clearly here that this is bots. Okay, what we can see here very, very clearly, this is bot trading. All right, and because we've put that, now the bot is adding to those trades and then dealing with itself and coming back. That's why we can see it going this number, that number, boom, boom, boom. Okay, but now we have the highest buy. So now what we essentially just need to do is that we keep an eye over the other exchange, making sure that the price is within the thing. Now we are actually looking at buying at 1.59, and as soon as that went through, we could sell at 165. That is plus 6%. Okay, so that's plus 6%, and this buy order here is actually for 125,000, of which, if we look at this, so on a dollar value, this would be 1,110, $1, 1,110, $1, 10 cents. Okay, so 1.65 cents, 1.65 cents. So there is just about $800 worth there as well. Okay, so that's about $800 worth of which that you could sell to. And we have the open order here. And pretty much, guys, all that you're going to be doing, right, is, I'll move myself over out of the way, right, is you're just waiting and you can watch. And once this one is triggered, then boom, you're going to sell into there. Obviously, you can do it for considerably more. So if we go back to hit BTC, for example, and we can see, here we go, look, now we can see the bot's getting greedy. The bot wants to try and the bot wants to try and undercut us. Okay, so that's why we can see this here. You can see very, very clearly that this is bot trading, guys, here, okay, on HitBTC. All right, so pretty much what happens when the next person essentially comes across and they wish to sell, okay, they will sell to the top order, of which will be this one, guys, okay. That will be you. They're going to sell to you. You're going to take that. You're going to come straight over. You're going to click here. You're going to click on Binance, for example. Okay, you're going to watch this update, and then you're going to come across and you're going to put a sell order. Okay, so very, very simple. You're going to click on the sell. In here, you're going to have your 10 VIB, for example. You're going to put in your price, of which would be 0.0000. And you want to sell to this one here. Okay, this is this one here. This is the highest buy order. Okay, this is what you want to sell to. So you put in 165, and then you want to put in the amount. So it would be 10 VIB, obviously, when that goes through. And of course, it's telling me insufficient balance right now because this one hasn't gone through. But you click on sell VIB, and boom, there we go. Okay, now bear in mind that that's 6%. All right, this one particular trade, like we said, it has about $800 plus. Actually, if we put these two here together, then that's 580,000, of which the coin is worth 1.5 cents approximately. So that would be 500,000. Is about 6,000. Okay. Dollars, of which with a 6%, so this one trade between the two could actually make you around amounts in profits of up to $600. Okay, minus trading fees, probably, well, $5,000. The trading fees on that would be $2.50. So yeah, really not going to knock much off of there. Okay, so yeah, about $600 is the trade money that you could actually make off of this. And again, it is very, very simple, guys. Okay, and you're doing this risk-free, all right, to a degree. All right, this is, I'm going to repeat that actually. This is about as risk-free as what trading can become. And the reason I'm saying that is because here you have your order in that you see it's trying to make you creep up. Okay, the idea of this bot, guys, okay, is that now it thinks that I'm going to cancel and that I'm going to put one in at 161, and then it's going to start doing it at 162, and it's going to try and pull the market together. All right, so what is actually happening here is I know that I can buy, okay, because at this, okay, I could put in an order of 500,000, for example. And I know that I can do that and that I can put in that order. And the reason that I know that I can put in that order, okay, is because I know that 1, 2 clicks away, I can sell that at 165, and I'm following and I'm tracking this market so that I know when that order, and I can leave it like this, and I can sit here and I can just keep an eye, because here is my order down here. So I'm watching, okay, watching. That order gets triggered. Okay, guys, it could take hours. It could take a couple of hours for that order to get triggered. Okay, but still, for what you can get for it for that particular order is very, very appetizing, guys. Okay, so, and there will be, for example, people in HitBTC that wish to sell that will sell at that smaller amount. So it's not a massive difference, of course. So yeah, here we can see very, very clearly, and actually if we see it's actually gone down as far as 153 here recently too. So our order is actually not low for it particularly at all. So 159 we're in at, we're waiting. Once that's triggered, boom, we come in and we click and we click on that, which automatically moves us over to sell and puts it in for us, and we just put in the amount that we wish to sell and problem solved. Okay, very, very simple. All right, I'm just going to show you very, very quickly. You can do it across other pairs as well. My personal favorites I do like on KMC, quite a lot of opportunities do arise. and on MCO2. So KMC, if we look at this one right now, we're looking at 219 and 204. Okay, so 204, remember 204 and 219. You can do this with two computers up, so that you can actually don't have to be clicking between the two. You can open both up on the computer, that's not a problem. So here we've got 204 and 221. And if we come across to EurekaX, then we've got 170 is the highest buy and 230. 180, 220, 240, Okay, so yeah, slightly smaller opportunities in here, guys, because you need it to be up one on here, which it's currently not. So we would just literally, guys, you're going to come in, you're going to have a look through. You're going to have a look through it like what we've just seen. If there is nothing there, you're just going to leave it and move on to the next one. Okay, so we're going to come down, we're going to look at MCO here. And whilst we are in looking at MCO, 960, 880. Okay, so we're looking for something up here to be higher than 8. Okay. Or technically we're looking for something down here to be above 960. But 880 being our existing hub. So we're going to come across, we're going to have a look inside Binance. And inside Binance, okay, so inside Binance we've got the same type of buy order here, but we've got 950 on the top. And we're going to check OKX. In OKX, somebody is willing to buy at 900, 240 of them. And remember, guys, this one, for example, is 1,000, about 1,110. So this coin is actually about $5. So here, for example, this is $1,200 that someone's willing to buy at 900. So we would very simply, we're going to come on back across to OKX, and okay, OKX looks like the same. We're going to come to BTC at 935. Okay, so look, you can actually see on here, guys, okay, is that you could put in a buy order here at say 860, and which would put you as the highest ready buyer, and then you could go and sell for 900 on Binance. Okay, simple. No open orders, and there we go. I was going to say, come across, and I shall cancel that one for now. Okay, very, very simple, guys. Okay, that is how long. As you can see, within the space of 15 minutes, we could have quite easily gone in and laid down our foundations for a good 3 or 4 different opportunities there. Okay. Remember, it doesn't matter if you are looking to buy, you put in your buy order. Okay, you are putting in a buy order that can be triggered in the future, but it will be triggered in the future only if obviously you will be overwatching and you will make sure that you can sell it. Okay, OMG, very, very, very popular token here inside here as well. 970, 010 coming across to Binance, where I may have already been. 970 to 010, 960. Okay, so you get the idea in here, guys. Okay, so say for example you could undercut inside that one too. Okay, so very, very simple, the concept of it, and you can do it all just from one balance. Okay, you can trade across all 3 of these giants. Okay, hit BTC, OKX, and Binance. Between them, They are 3 of the absolute biggest exchanges within the industry. And yeah, that's a very, very short overview, guys, as to how you can do arbitrage trading inside EurekaX in about as safe as fashion as any form of trading could ever possibly be. Okay, that's it from me. I hope this has been helpful for you, and of course, let us know if there's anything that you get stuck with, if you need any help. Goodbye for now.